Just in case they ain't get the picture the first time around.
I see you, hater. My motivator. Y'all make me greater. Yeah.
Here we go, y'all. We got this 1990 Cadillac Brougham. We done did the body work on it. Y'all wanna check that video out? It'll be down in the description. Also, probably be popping up as well. But we're about to get ready, start wet sanding this here. Get ready to put some paint on it. So we're gonna put a guide coat on it. We're gonna put a dry guide coat. Well, not a powder guide coat, but we're gonna use some spray paint. I had found some spray paint laying around the shop. Really don't matter, but the car black up under here, so I don't want to use black because it might be hard for, because Raw gonna be helping me do it, so it might be hard for him to figure out what's low and what's high, because he might cut through the primer, then it'll be black, and then the guide coat gonna be black, so I'm gonna put some blue on it, maybe help him out. I'm just gonna lightly mist it on all over the car. Like that there. Just lightly mist it on. That's all you gotta do. There's the guide coat. All the way around. We're gonna let all this dry overnight, then in the morning we're gonna go to town on that wet sand. We'll remove all this masking though tonight, because it can be taken off. Ain't no use to this being on. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna get this masking off, and then in the morning we'll get back to work. All right, we got all the masking off. Just wanted to walk around, show it to you.
Hey, man, I got a couple more niggas wanna come behind me though.
Say they want to come behind, huh? About to start wet sanding. I probably said this was a 1990, but I think it's a 91. But it really don't matter, it's all the same body style. But we're about to start wet sanding, me and Raw.
We're gonna use that 600, y'all.
Yeah, y'all heard him. We're gonna use 600. I was looking for some 400, but it really don't matter. The difference, the 400 gonna cut a lot faster, but the 600 gonna leave less aggressive scratches. So that means I gotta put less coats, base coat, to fill the scratches up. But we're gonna use 600. We got, I found, I think 2 sheets of this 600 paper, then I got some rolls here. Both of them work, really don't matter, but we're gonna drop these, I'm gonna cut this in half and I'm gonna drop it in our soap and water, let it get soft. Then we got 2 blocks. I got one for me and one for Raw, rigid blocks. So we're gonna let that paper soak up for a second, then we're gonna go to wet sand. All right, on this wet sand, see I got it cut in half, we're gonna wrap it around our block. You're gonna get 3 areas you can sand on. I can't get it around the block right. I think this might be some cheap sandpaper here. But we'll be able to sand on this side, then we can open it up and sand on that side. But this side, hold that flap there. Get me a rag up out of here. Keep the surface wet. We're gonna remove all this guide coat, to block it flat, going in the X pattern here. Some more water on it. That's, you know, that's what it'll do. If it ain't wet, it'll start gripping the surface. But let me show you. I still see a little guide coat right there. I gotta bring that air down some here. But it's not gonna take long to block flat. Now that's good to go right there. You don't see no guide coat. I'm gonna do this all around the vehicle. See right there, that area that was lower than the rest of it because it's taking longer to get that guide coat. I dip it in a bucket, get that paste off of it. That's all I'm gonna be doing. Me and Ross just gonna go ahead and knock it on out. I'll probably set you up on a tripod, do some hyper speed, but that's gonna be the process. Let me go ahead and wipe this and then let it dry, and you'll see the difference. Now you can see the difference, but I sanded it. Well, I haven't sanded, but it's real smooth. That's what you want before you paint. Y'all stay tuned. Early in the morning, early Friday morning, to be exact. Y'all see we got the Cadillac pulled out. Gonna get ready and wash it up, but before we wash it up, we just got some final touches we gotta do. Right now, Raw, he hitting the door jambs with some maroon Scotch-Brite. We're gonna spray those same time we paint the car. And yesterday, I found a spot that I repaired pretty much all day yesterday. It held us up, this spot right here. So I still got to wet sand this area. Once I do that, I'm gonna help her out on these door jams. Go ahead and knock that out, then we'll clean the car up. Get ready to pull it in and start taping it up. We finally finished cleaning everything up. Think she ready like Key Glock now.
When you going home because I'm
We're gonna shoot for in the morning as far as masking and painting. I got kind of late, so we're gonna hold off. We're gonna let it go ahead and drip dry, mask it up, and spray her. What you think about it, Raw?
Hey man, I think it's turning out nice so far, man. Guess
So
what? I
far?
don't think you're gonna lose.
Okay.
Black gonna be in there.
All right, y'all. We'll cut y'all back on in the morning.